Friends, here is another video on the topic unity in diversity in the light of a story from Panchatantra, the dove and the hunter's net. When challenges strike you, your team, what happens? Do people blame, panic, or unite? Real success is not tested in calm, it is proven in crisis. And this Panchatantra story shows that unity is the ultimate survival strategy. Let us discuss about the problems of today. Workplaces face storms of layout, losses, deadlines, and mistakes. Many teams collapse not from the problem but from disunity. Everyone blames someone, and when trust breaks, even smart people fell together. And here is the story of Panchatantra. Once a flock of doves lived happily in a forest. One day, a hunter spread a net with grains beneath. The doves saw the food and landed and were instantly trapped in the net. They fluttered, panicked, and struggled separately. But the net only tightened them. Then the dove king said, "Stop, let us flap our wings together." And when they lifted as one, the entire net rose into the air, carried safely to a safe place, another forest, where their friend, the mouse, bit the net to set them free. In this slide, I have developed that 6-step KYM solution for today's problem in workplace. Number one, pause before panic. Stillness before strategy, that is khema of mind. Number two, lead calmly. A calm voice can rescue an entire team, that is yoga of leadership. Number three, collaborate, don't compete. Ego always divides, unity multiplies. That is khema of relationship. Trust each other's strength, that is the step 4. Everyone brings value, that is yoga of connection. Together, everyone gets more. Number 5, live together. Shared effort reduces shared pain, that is yoga of team spirit. Number 6, celebrate freedom together. Victory means nothing if others are still trapped, that is khema of gratitude. What is the learnings? The doves didn't escape alone, they rose together, and that is how the great teams thrive, through coordination, compassion, and calm leadership. Now it is time for transformation, a call for transformation. My friend, when your team feels trapped, be the dove king, the calm leader, bring people together, lift them together. Because unity does not just solve problems, it creates peace. Join my Fulfilled Career Inner Circle, that is my VIP WhatsApp group. Join now by clicking the link given in the bio. Face fear and find the